Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete any apps that has been downloaded in your MacBook Air. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the same process is done in every MacBook devices. It's pretty simple and easy, so simply follow these steps to delete it. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Launchpad, and once you're in the Launchpad section, you can find all the apps that has been downloaded in your device. Now you can simply hold the app you want to delete, and you can find the cross mark right besides the app itself. So simply tap on that particular cross mark, and once you do this, that app will be now simply ask you the permission to delete it. Simply tap on the delete option and you are all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We will be back again soon with more informative videos like this.